Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting required documents so booking is productive. Have your ID, proof of citizenship, a passport photo, and payment ready. This speeds up form autofill. Create or log into the official passport account now because many systems require verification and an account to schedule. Once logged in, verify your contact info and enable two-step authentication if offered. This prevents lockouts and saves time when you reach the appointment selection page. Now navigate the appointment portal and choose your nearest office or regional center. Use filters to narrow dates and refresh if slots are scarce. Some systems release times in batches. Enter document details exactly as on your ID because mismatches can cancel bookings. Choose payment method and pickup options, then confirm and save the confirmation number and screenshot. Once done, note any pre-appointment instructions, like printing forms or arriving early, so you don't lose your slot. Finish by preparing for the appointment. Print forms and confirmations, assemble originals and copies, and bring the exact payment method. Arrive at least 15 minutes early, because processing queues and ID checks can delay entry. During the visit, follow staff instructions and hand over documents in order to speed verification. If your booking fails or is flagged, contact the portal support immediately, use the reschedule function, or bring alternate proof of identity to resolve mismatches at the counter. This usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.